This is the story of an ordinary couple. They met when they were young. They grew up together, got married, had 3 daughters, and lived very happily for over 50 years. They were perfect partners. Everybody looked up to them. No one could see one of them without thinking of the other. But one day, the old lady got sick. They tried everything so that she could get better, but nothing worked and she died. Because they were so close, everybody thought he would not be able to go on by himself. Everybody was sure he would be so depressed he would want to die as well. How is he going to live on his own in the house where they spent so many years together? How is he going to deal with so many memories? Will he be able to do something against himself? These were some of the questions people were wondering. But nobody will ever guess what happened. About 3 months later, he found a girlfriend. She's about 35 years old. Everybody was shocked. He didn't even think twice before starting dating her. And then they started to act like two teenagers. They traveled together, went for a walk holding hands, and did other kinds of things we usually see young couples doing. About 6 months later, they engaged. His family, which didn't accept his new relationship since the very beginning, now realized things were getting serious. His daughters then decided not to talk to him anymore. They didn't really want to do that. They just wanted the father to quit the idea of getting married again, but that didn't work at all. He was quite sad his family didn't stand by him, but he was stubborn, and once he had made up his mind, he would never back off. 2 more months went by, and they decided to get married. His daughters didn't show up at the wedding, but that didn't spoil the party. Yeah, they even threw a party. Now, they've been married for 10 months, and his wife has always been talking about getting pregnant. He sold the house where he used to live and bought a new one to live with his new wife. His family is getting accustomed to the situation. After all, there is nothing they can do to change it. The elderly couple has been living happily so far. At least, that's the impression we have. The same one as when he was married to his previous wife.